Feeling like a tech wizard on a budget? These AI tools have got your back. Picture this. You're a tech enthusiast, but your wallet is crying for mercy. Fear not. We've got free AI tools that'll make you feel like Tony Stark without the billionaire budget. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT. It's like having a genius friend who knows everything, but doesn't hog the conversation. Need help with writing? Done. Need a joke? Also done. Next, there's Deep Dream. Want to turn your photos into trippy, psychedelic masterpieces? This one's your go-to. And hey, it's cheaper than a ticket to a Pink Floyd concert. Finally, we have OpenAI's Codex. Ever wished coding was as easy as talking? This AI translates your natural language into code. Now you can impress your friends without breaking a sweat. So there you have it. Free AI tools that are cooler than your high school tech teacher. Dive in and let the tech magic begin.